Welcome back, guys. What we're able to do now, we're able to get the date there, okay, and we're able to place it within our component state. And for the end date, we're able to do the same. Let me just change the year 2027, September 3, okay. We're able to put that in there. This we've always been, and this is to the S group. Yeah, that's going in there, and that task is, we are saying this: be very good boys, be very good boys. Is that going in there? Yes, that's going in there. So the only bit that we need to work on is for the time, right? So let's go to our code and make some progress. Right, so let us start from the top. From the top, what do we need? We've got our end time and start time in there in the state. What we need here, we want the refs. Okay, so I'm going to copy that, paste that there, and change that date to time, and this one to time. Okay, so that's sorted so far. Now let's keep on going down. Here we want a similar function to the date function, so if we copy that, come down here, paste. The only difference is we don't know yet the callback function that we're going to use, and we want to change that date to time, right, like so. That's changed. Then we are going to save that. So let's keep on going down, and now we want to initialize our Datepicker, our Timepicker here. So in this case, we need to go in there, and we are looking for the initialization code here, and what we want the guts of this. Come in there, place them in there, right? And we don't want to redefine this, so we can call this, say, time, and pass in that time like so. So as for our option, this is where we're going to have our callback function, isn't it? Yeah, good. And we don't need this, right? And let's save this. Let's keep on going down. Yeah, what do we need, guys? We need to sort out, we need to put in our refs. Yeah, so it will be ref, that's what we want. So for this one, it's the end time, isn't it? End time. This one, and the other one will be the start time. So ref equals this start time, right? So save that. Now let's go back to our callback function. Which function are we going to use? We need to go into the options that we have for this one, and let us look at the callback functions we've got. Let's start from the bottom. This one on select, it didn't work when we're dealing with the date, so that one is out. On close end, this on close, that's a possible candidate. On close, possible candidate. On open, doesn't make sense. This doesn't make sense. So let us look at this too. This one, the modal, it's before it is closed, and this one is after it is closed. I prefer to use this one. So let us get this one and go into our code there. And what we want to do is we want to go in the options there, paste that, and we want to get from this context here, we want to get the handle time. Didn't we do a handle time? Handle time. Handle time, handle time. Right, so what did we call this function? Okay, right, so we need to call this angle time, and this was on close end, wasn't it? So this is where we're going to place this angle time. So let us get the angle time and come here. Actually, that's dot angle time. Is it coming up now? Yeah, we've got it there. Okay, so let us save everything, save all, and yeah, so date, if we pick the date, it's going in there. Time, time, did it go? Yes, it went there. That date, yep, and this time, and 2:30 2:36 p.m. did it? 2:36 p.m. there it went. Our task is to be very good researchers, good, and we are allocating this to the good group. Yeah, good group. So we've got everything there. That's good. So what we could do now, after this, we could get all this and submit it to our back end. So let's see, let's just try and handle this. So let's go to our code, and we want to handle the on submit. So I'm going to copy this one here, copy, paste. This one can take an event, And what I'm going to do here, this one is submit, isn't it? We want to hang on submit, and we just want to log. So we just want to console log that, see if we can just get what is in the state. This is what we want to submit. Yeah, so we'll say this state, but let us prevent the default first, otherwise it will just prevent default, like so. Okay, yeah, let us save this, and we can say, yeah, we can say this is ready for submission. This is ready for submission. Yeah, then save all and come back here. Right, our task complete. By to the now group, and starting on the 7th of October at that time, and at that date, and at this time. Okay, then we submit that. There we are. Okay, that's from our state. This is what is in the state. So guys, this is how I have been able to use the date and the time picker in my Materialize, from Materialize CSS. I really wanted to use the generic Materialize CSS dates and time pickers. So with what we have done, I guess you can almost do anything, play with the generic Materialize CSS and actually enjoy it. And I think maybe what we can do on the next video, just before I conclude on this one, I'll show you something. Let me stop here for now.